What is the dumbest thing you have ever done as a teenager? 1. I farted while we were spread out sitting on the ground in my gym class. Everyone looked behind towards me and I looked behind me, only to see that I was looking at a wall. 2. I tied 2x4s to my legs and ropes to my steering wheel, sat with my legs through my sunroof and tried to drive my car like a stagecoach. It worked, but the car ended up in a ditch. 3. Tried cow tipping. Ended up getting kicked by a cow and got 2 broken ribs. 4. I snuck out to do teenagerly things at around midnight and got back at around 4 in the morning. I very slowly, agonizingly slowly, took my keys out of my pocket, selected the correct key, inserted it into the front door lock at a speed of 1 tumbler per fortnight, rotated it counterclockwise while palming the rest of the keys so as to not let them jingle and successfully unlocked the door. I removed the key from the lock at the same snail's pace and put my keys back in my right front pocket. I went to reach for the doorknob and rang the doorbell. That was when I died inside.